What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TRCH stock. And first of all, I will show you some details about technical analysis where we are now. Then we will take a look on some fundamental news that might drive the price either way. And then we will continue with the technical analysis and with the probable outcome of the price action. So, and before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, as you can see, I made my previous video right here and I've told you that this level should hold and we might have a small pullback to the upside, and my target price was at about $6.5 mark. And I thought we might hit this price action, and let me show you that it should be a retracement to the level of 0.236 from the top to this very bottom. And as you can see, we didn't hit this level. It is a level of 6.34. And this means that this stock has very bearish sentiment. Unfortunately, it has very bearish sentiment. So, and let's continue with some fundamentals. As you might know, all the catalysts for now for this stock is merger with the metamaterials and the Wall Street Bets community. Let's start with the Wall Street Bets community. And right here on kivercount.com we can track all the mentions of different stock tickers, but we don't have tickers among the top list. And right here you can find that TRCH stock has only 2 mentions. And here is the detailed result. Right here it has only 1 mention and it is down for about 67% during last 24 hours. So we don't have any support from Wall Street Bets community and it is a bearish sign. On top of that, let me show you this. We are on fintel.io and it is a short volume ratio on June 24th, and as you can see it rises to the level of 33.29%. This means we have more and more bearish pressure. And here is the bearish pressure on metamaterial stock, and for now it has 19.42% of short volume ratio. It is also rather big, but not so big as we can see on Torchlight. And let me show you this article. It was published on Investor Place just 5 hours ago and it's titled "Dear Torchlight Energy Stock Fans, mark your calendars for June 30. And the main idea of this article is that you have to wait until the merger will be completed, and then we will have some benefits from the metamaterial company. And the only reason why metamaterials mergers with the Torchlight Energy is the ability to be tradable on a Nasdaq stock exchange. It is the only reason why they want this merger. And let me show you this. We are on official Twitter page of George Palikaros. He is a CEO of Metamaterial Tech. He is a founder and CEO. And on June 15, he posted this tweet. MMAT swag are being organized as promised. Nice release by TRCH. The dividend date is June 24th, 10-day notice required. There is a T+2 rule, so last chance to be in TRCH Energy is Tuesday, June 22nd, end of day. And what is T+2 rule? Here is the definition. When you buy or sell securities, there are 2 key dates. The trade date, known as T, the date when your order trades on the market. The settlement date, known as T+2, when money is exchanged for ownership of the investment. T+2 means the trade date plus 2 business days. This means we have this very harsh sell-off on June 22nd, because with T+2 date we have to have this stock on our portfolio in order to be eligible to receive dividends right here at this point. This means right after the market closed we have this another leg to the downside, and for now we are hovering at the level of 0.65, 0.618. So, on top of that, let me remind you that majority of investors has a very high tax bracket. This means they don't want to hold the dividend stock until the date of dividends. And this might be a little bit confusing, but in this case, if they will receive dividends, it will lower their interest rate and it will lower their profits. And they will pay more taxes basically, and that's why they don't want to hold the dividend stock for a long time, and that's why it is just a short-term play for this type of persons. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see, we are hovering at the level of golden pocket. It is a 0.65, 0.618 retracement level from the bottom of entire movement to the top, as you can see. And let me remind you that our entry point was in the middle of these two green bars. And for those of you who just start to follow my channel, we are still up for about 240%. And what are my thoughts about the next potential movements? Let me remind you that Metamaterials stockholders will have a ratio of 3.7 and TRCH stockholders will have a ratio 1:1. This means every stockholder of Metamaterials will receive 3.7 stocks of TRCH company. And that's why we have another ratio. For now, the price of Metamaterial is $13.6. If we divide this number by 3.7, we will have an equivalent price of $3.67. And let me show you our next point where we might land our next leg to the downside. It is 3.48, almost the same level as a $3.67 mark as we just defined. So, what will be potential next outcome? If the price of Metamaterials will rise, and let me show you right here. For now, we are in an uptrend with the Metamaterials. If this price will rise, we can divide $13.6 by 3.7, and this will indicate the equivalent price of TRCH stock. And for now, if the price of Metamaterials will go up, we will also have an opportunity to rise the price of this stock. But for now, the equivalent price for Metamaterials stock is $17.39. So technically, it might go up to about $17.4. It will be equal to $4.7 of a current price. So what should you do if you want to invest or if you want to catch this trade? Basically, for now, you have to wait. And if you hold this back for a long time, you already eligible for the dividends, and it is a good point. And if you start to follow this stock somewhere at the levels of around $10 or $9, and you bought your stocks right here, you have to patiently wait. And if you don't want to cut your losses, just wait until the merger will be completed. Then we'll see, eventually we will see the pullback of the price of TRCH / Metamaterials, and it is almost guaranteed. And then in a matter of 8 to 12 months, we will have, in my opinion, a surge in price of Metamaterials, and this will give you an opportunity to cut your losses, to break even with these losses, or to have some profits with the company. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!